Welcome back to the channel. Chapter 1, Rational Numbers, I Enrich 4. Before solving this, most of you are watching without subscribing. Subscribe and share it with your friends. First sum, multiply the following. A minus 4 by 7 into 5 by 3. 4 5s are 20, 7 3s are 21. So we need to understand the basic concept of sign change here. When you have like signs, that is plus, plus, minus, minus, the result will be plus. When you have unlike signs for one fraction and minus, another fraction plus, or else one fraction plus and another fraction is minus, then the result will be minus. Here 4 by 7 is negative, 5 by 3 is positive, one rational number is negative, another natural number is positive. So minus into plus gives us minus, negative answer. B. 2 by 5 into minus 1 by 9. 1 into 2, 2, 5 into 9, 45, plus into minus, minus. C. 5 by 7 into 1, 5 by 9. Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 by 7 into 9 into 1 is 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 by 5. 14 by 9. Is there anything common to get cancel? Yes, we can cancel 7 and 14. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. So now 5 into 2 is 10 by 1 into 9 is 9. D subdivision. 5 by 7 into minus 14 by minus 10. Since both have negatives in symbol, we can cancel each other. Now 7 2s are what? 14. 5 2s are 10. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So our answer is 1. E. Minus 5 by 6 into 12 by 15. 6 2s are 12. 1 into 5 is minus 5. 5 3s are 15. So our answer is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 by 3. F. Minus 4 9 by 10 into 13 by 15. Minus 4 into 10 is 40. 40 plus 9, 49. Minus 49 by 10 into 13 by 15. Nothing can be cancelled. So directly multiply 49 by 13. 27, 13, 14, 9, 4, 6, 3, 7. Minus 6, 3, 7 divided by 150. Second sum. Write the multiplicative inverse of the following. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocate the number and then write. For 1 by 9 it is 9 by 1 or 9. B. For 3 by minus 19 it is minus 19 by 3. C. 11 by 12 into 36 by 33. First we can solve this. 11 3s are 12 3s are 36. 1. So 1 is its multiplicative inverse. D. So minus 3 by 4 into, when you change division into multiplication, you have to reciprocate the fraction. Okay, 4 4s are 16, minus 1 3. So it is minus 4 by 3. For this, the reciprocative multiplicative inverse is minus 3 by 4. Third sum, divide the following. A. 7 by 8 divided by minus 4 by 3. In last sum we have seen, whenever we change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, the corresponding rational number should be reciprocated. So 7 by 8 into, which means we have to reciprocate minus 4 by 3 into minus 3 by 4. Nothing get cancelled. 7 3 is a 21. Minus 21 by 32. B. 2 1 by 3 divided by 7 by 9. 2 1 by 3 can be written as 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. When changed into multiplication symbol, it has to be reciprocated as 9 by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel. 3 3s are 9. So final answer is 3. C. Minus 4 by 5 divided by 31 by 32. Again, division symbol. You need to change the symbol as multiplication. For this, minus 4 by 5 into 32 by 31. There is no possibility to cancel anything. Minus 128 divided by 155. D. Minus 48 divided by minus 18 by 22, which is equal to minus 48 into minus 22 by 18. 6 times it can be cancelled. Yes. Minus 8 into 6 for minus 48 into 3. 6 3s are 18. The answer is minus into minus plus 176 divided by 3. Fourth sum. Solve the following using appropriate properties. A. Minus 23 by 21 into 11 by 22 into minus 84 by 46. Any property can cancel it directly. Minus into minus will become plus. So cancel that first. 123, 2 23s are 46. 21 into 4 is 84. 111 is 11. 2 11s are 22. 2 2s are 4. So our answer is 1. B. 24 by 31 into 8 by 9 plus 24 by 31 into 7 by 18. What property is used here? Distributive property. 24 by 31 into 8 by 9 plus 7 by 18. See, 24 by 31 is common for both the terms. That is, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is what it is mentioned here. 24 by 31. Here the LCM is 18. 9 2s are 18. 8 2s are 16 plus 7, which is equal to 24 by 31 into 23 by 18. 6 times 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18. 4 into 23 is 92 divided by 93. C subdivision, same property. Minus 6 by 7 into 3 by 4 plus 6 by 7 into 3 by 7. So take 6 by 7, 6 by 7 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 7. This A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is what we are going to use here. 6 by 7, LCM is 28. 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21 plus 7 4s are 28, 4 3s are 12. 6 by 7 into minus 9 by 28. 3 2s are 6, 14 times. So minus 27 divided by minus 27 divided by 98. D sum. Minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 into minus 15 by minus 21 into 7 by 9. First of all, cancel this. Okay. Now, minus 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Nothing can be cancelled. There is one negative sign. So minus 5 into 7 is 35. Again, it can be cancelled. 7 times. 1 7 is 7. 3 7s are 21. So minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. 8 4s are 32. 32 into 3 is 96. Check again. 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 into minus 15 by minus 21, 7 by 9. 7 3s are 21, 5, 3 and 3. 4 3s are 12, 12 into 8, 96. Book answer is wrong. Our answer is minus 5 by 96. Fifth sum. Verify the following and name the property also. Okay. 5 by minus 7 into minus 9 by 2 is equal to minus minus get cancelled. 9 5s are 45, 7 2s are 14, as well as minus 9 by 2 into 5 by minus 7, minus minus get cancelled. 9 5s are 45 by 14. Therefore, it is verified. It is verified. What property is this? It is commutative property. B. Minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 7 plus 9 by 18. 9 by 18 you can cancel 1 times, 3, 2 times. So minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 7 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 14. It's 3 by 2 into 14. 2 sums are 14. So 1 into 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 into 1 is 7. Is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 9 by 14 minus 27 by 28. Now minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 7 plus minus 3 by 2 into 9 by 18. This is 1. Minus 3 by 14. 9 2s are 18. So minus 3 by 4, 2 into 2 is 4. LCM here is 28. 14 into 2 gives us 28. 3 into 2 gives us 6. So minus 6. 4 into 7 is 28. 3 into 7 is minus 21, which is equal to minus 27 divided by 28, 2. From 1 and 2 it is verified. From 1 and 2 it is verified. Name the property. It is distributive property on multiplication. Distributive property on addition. Distributive property. C. 5 by 8 into 8 by 5. Answer is 1. 8 by 5 into 5 by 8. Answer is 1. Therefore, it is verified. What property name it is? Multiplicative inverse. D. Associative. Minus 5 by 6 into 12 by 15 into 9 by 15. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 by 6 into 12 by 25. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5, 5 into 5 is 25. 6 2s are 12. So our answer is minus 2 by 5, 1. Minus 5 by 6 into 12 by 15 into 9 by 15 minus 1 3 times 6 2s are 12, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 9 by 15. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So minus 2 by 5. Second, from 1 and 2 it is verified. From 1 and 2 it is verified. Property is associative property. Associative property. Sixth sum. Verify the following. A into B minus C. 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4 minus 8 by 9. 2 by 3 into LCM is 36. 4 9s are 36. 3 9s are 27. Minus 27. 8 4s are 32. So both is negative. We can add it directly. Into minus 59 by 36. Can cancel 18 times. Answer minus 59 by 54. A into B minus A into C. Consider this as 1. A into B, 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 into 8 by 9. 2 2s are 4, 3. So minus 1 by 2 minus 2 8s are 16, 3 9s are 27. LCM is 54. 27 into 1 is 27. 16 into 2 is minus 32, which is equal to minus 59 by 54. Equation 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 it is verified. Sixth sum, B subdivision. A into B minus C. 2 by 3. Same thing is repeated. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. We can move on to the next sum. Look, both the conditions are same. We can move on to the C subdivision. A into B is equal to 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 3 into 3 3 cancels, minus 1. Answer is minus 1 by 2. B into A is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 minus 1 2, so minus 1 by 2. Therefore it is verified. For second subdivision, we can change the question. Change B minus C to B plus C. Now we can solve. B minus 3 by 4 plus 8 by 9. 2 by 3, LCM is 36. 4 9s are minus 27. 9 into 3 is minus 27. 8 4s are 32, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 5 by 36. 18, which is equal to 5 by 54. A into B plus A into C. A into B, 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 into 8 by 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So minus 1 by 2 plus 8 by 9. What is LCM? Okay, I made a mistake. 2 and 3, 2 by 3 and 9 cannot be cancelled. 16 by 27. LCM is 54. 2 into 27, so minus 27 plus 16 into 2, 32, which is equal to 5 by 54. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, it is verified. Change the question and try. D subdivision. A divided by B divided by C is equal to A 2 by 3 divided by minus 3 by 4 divided by 8 by 9. 2 by 3 divided by minus 3 by 4 into 9 by 8. Nothing can be cancelled. 2 by 3 divided by minus 27 by 32. 2 by 3 into 32 by minus 27. So the answer is minus 64 divided by 81. Okay, now consider this as 1. A divided by B divided by C. 2 by 3 divided by minus 3 by 4 divided by 8 by 9. 2 by 3 into minus 4 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. Minus 8 by 9 divided by 8 by 9 minus 8 by 9 into 9 by 8 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, 2. From 1 and 2, it is verified. They mentioned they should not be equal. So from 1 and 2 it is not equal, it is verified. It is verified. 7th sum. Solve for x. 22 by 7 into 23 by 8 is equal to x by 168. 22 by 7 into 23 by 8 into 168 is equal to x. 21 times 7 3s are 21. 66 into 23. 22 into 3 is 66. 66 into 23. 18, 18, 19, 12, 13. 8, 11, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 5, 1, 8. X is equal to 1, 5, 1, 8. 8th sum. From the bundle of cloth, 69 1 by 4 meter of cloth is used to make 8 tents. How much cloth is required to make one such tent? Cloth for 8 tent is equal to 69 1 by 4 meter, or 69 into 4, 36, 24 plus 3, 25, 26, 27. 276 plus 1, 277 by 4 meters. Cloth for one tent is equal to 277 by 4 divided by 8, which is equal to 277 by 4 into 1 by 8, which is equal to 277 by 32. Cannot be cancelled. 277, 32. 6 times 8 times 24. 8 is a 16. 16, 24, 25 to 1, which is equal to 8, 21 by 32 meters of cloth is required for each tent. 9 sum. A train covers 600 km in 5.5 hours. Distance covered. Distance covered in 5 by 6 hours is equal to 600 km. Therefore, they ask us to find in 1 hour. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 600 divided by 5 by 6, which is equal to 600 into 6 by 5. 120 times, which is equal to 720 kilometers is covered in 1 hour. 10th sum. Samira could walk 24 by 13 km in an hour. Find the distance she can walk in 4 by 9 hours. Distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 24 by 13 km. Distance covered in 4 by 9 hours is equal to 24 by 13 into 4 by 9. 3 3s are 9, 8s are 24. 8 4s are 32 by 39 kilometers. 32 by 39 kilometers is covered in 4 by 9 hours. 11th sum. The rational number is 3 by 4 times the sum of. Let x be the rational number. Rational number is 3 by 4 times the sum of 11 by 13 and 9 by 39. Word problem is converted into mathematical problem here. 3 by 4 times means multiplication. Sum means addition. Addition of 11 by 13 and 9 by 39. So LCM is 39. 13 into 3 is 39. 11 into 3 is 33 plus 9. 3 by 4 into 32 by 39. 4 8s are 32. 3 into 13 is 39. Therefore, the number is 8 by 13. (33 plus 9 is what? 3 by 4. 33 plus 9 is 42 by 39. 13 2 times 21. So 21 by 26 is our answer. 12th sum. A tap fills 12 by 5 liters of water in a tank in an hour. How much water will be filled in 7 by 5 hours? Water filled in 1 hour is equal to 12 by 5 liters. Water filled in 7 by 5 hour is equal to 12 by 5 into 7 by 5. 7 12s are 84 by 25 liters is filled in 7 by 5 hours. With this, chapter 1 rational number I and Enrich 4 is completed. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. We can discuss over there. Subscribe to Mountain Ganapati and share it with your friends. See you in another video. Take care.